Right now, just take a deep breath in and let it go. That's perfect. And as you hear my voice, you might begin to notice how good it feels to just let go. And maybe you have already felt yourself starting to let go. That subtle pull, like gravity, like sinking into the softest bed you've ever known. No effort, zero trying, just the gentle weight of deep relaxation, pulling you deeper and deeper, deeper and deeper. That's perfect. You're doing great. And you could notice now how your eyelids just grow heavier and heavier with every single blink, like tiny little weights, hugging them closed down even more. Or maybe they're already closed and it really doesn't matter, because every word I say is taking you deeper and deeper, deeper and deeper. You're drifting, sliding, spiraling down into that warm, velvet darkness behind your eyes. And as you spiral down, you might imagine that there's a bright and beautiful, endless staircase that's winding down, deeper and deeper down into the deepest parts of your mind. With every single step, you let go twice as much. With every step that you take, your body just melts and dissolves into the air. With every step, your thoughts soften into silence. 10, drifting deeper and deeper down. 9, twice as deep. Good. 8, your mind is so open. 7, your body getting heavier and heavier, so very heavy. 6, sinking, melting. 5, you are halfway there. 4, so easy and effortless. 3, you're almost there. 2, and 1, and down. Good, that's right, very good. And right now, I'd like you to imagine that you're floating on a vast, endless ocean. The waves are rocking you gently deeper. The water is warm, weightless, holding you. And with every rise and fall of your breath, you sink further, deeper and deeper into the depth. Deeper with every exhale, deeper with every pulse, deeper where the light filters softly and the silence wraps around you like a second skin. And the deeper you go, the more your mind opens. Like a flower blooming in slow motion, petals are unfurling and unraveling to the sun. Every layer is softer and more receptive. And now you are so very deep that every word that I say sinks directly into your subconscious mind, bypassing your thoughts, bypassing your doubt, planting itself in the fertile soil of your subconscious mind, where it grows easily, effortlessly. Good. That is perfect. And now you can just feel what this deeper relaxation feels like in your body. And you know that you are so much more relaxed now than you were just a few moments ago. And just by you knowing that, that takes you into the deepest state where you're open to releasing anything that's no longer serving you. Your energy is yours, and you release all energy that does not serve you. You effortlessly clear foreign energy from your energy field with ease. Your aura is strong, protected, and repels all lower vibrations. You are a master at releasing energy that is not yours. Every exhale cleanses your energy field. You are free from absorbing others' emotions and stress. Your energy boundaries are strong and healthy. You easily recognize and release any and all energetic attachments. You are a clear channel for your own highest energy. Your energy field is purified with every breath you take. You are deeply rooted, stable, and connected to the earth. Your energy flows effortlessly into the earth for cleansing. You are always grounded. You are always centered and present. The earth supports you and transmutes any heavy energy automatically for you. Your roots go deep, keeping you steady and strong. You release any excess energy into the earth with so much ease. Your body is a conduit for grounding energy. You are magnetized to stability and calm. Every step that you take connects you deeper and deeper to the earth. You are unshakable no matter what energy is around you. You are constantly refilled with your own radiant energy. Your energy reserves are deep and abundant. You attract only what nourishes your soul. Golden, vibrant, iridescent light fills every cell of your being. You are a vessel of your own pure, high vibrational energy. Your energy is self-sustaining and endlessly renewable. You replenish yourself faster than you give energy away. Your essence is strong, vibrant, untainted, and unlimited. You are always returning to your natural state of balance. Your energy is yours. You reclaim it with joy. You observe emotions without absorbing them. You are compassionate, but not responsible for anyone else's energy. Your mirror neurons serve you without draining you. You feel deeply but remain energetically sovereign. You honor your sensitivity while protecting your own energy. You are a loving observer, not a sponge for energy. Your nervous system filters out what does not belong to you. You are attuned to energy without being overwhelmed by it. Your empathy is a huge gift that you manage wisely. You are in control of how your energy affects you. You move through crowds without taking on anyone else's energy. Social events leave you energized, not drained. You are shielded from chaotic energy of groups. You enjoy connection without sacrificing your own energy. You are immune to negative group vibrations. Your energy remains intact in any social setting. You release all absorbed energy after all interactions. You engage with others while staying centered in yourself. Your boundaries strengthen in crowded spaces. You leave every gathering feeling light and clear and relaxed. You consume social media and all media without absorbing any energy from it. Your energy field repels low vibrational digital content. You scroll consciously, protecting your nervous system. You easily disengage from draining online energy. Social media does not affect your inner peace. You are selective about what energy you allow in your digital world. Your mind stays very, very clear no matter what you see online. You release digital heaviness instantly and easily. You engage with screens without energy attachment. Your energy resets after screen time easily and effortlessly. You help others without sacrificing your own energy. Your healing work leaves you energized, not drained. You serve others from overflow, not depletion. You are a clear energy channel. Energy flows through you, not into you. Your compassion is balanced with self-care. You give freely, but you always replenish yourself first. Your energy is renewable no matter how much you give to others. And you heal others while staying whole yourself. Your boundaries make you a better person. You are a lighthouse of energy, guiding people, not absorbing others' energy. Your past wounds no longer make you susceptible to any foreign energies. You heal your energy leaks with love and awareness. Your aura repairs itself stronger than it ever has. You release old patterns that made you absorb energy. Your energy field is whole and intact. You transmute old pain into present strength. Your subconscious no longer seeks energy from other people or approval from anyone outside of yourself. You are free from repeating energetic cycles from the past. Your energy is yours, reclaimed and revitalized. You are no longer an open vessel for other people's energy. A 2-minute energy reset leaves you very refreshed. You clear your energy effortlessly throughout the day and night. Your daily habits keep your energy field pristine. You naturally can release stagnant energy without even thinking. Your energy hygiene is impeccable and automatic. You start and end every single day in energetic alignment. Quick grounding brings you back to your center instantly. You always are just one breath away from clarity. Your energy resets like a refreshing breeze. You maintain your energy and vitality with ease and joy. Even with fun, you trust your ability to manage your energy. You trust yourself fully. You are the authority over your own energy field. You are enough. Your intuition guides you in energetic protection. You are a master of energetic discernment. You confidently release what does not belong to you. Your energy responds perfectly to your own intentions. You are in full command of your own vibrational state. You effortlessly maintain energetic sovereignty. Your energy is resilient and it corrects itself. You are free, clear, and fully yourself. And right now, you can know that your subconscious mind has already begun acting on these wonderful suggestions, and benefit and success will come back with you now, and you will notice more and more experiences in the coming days and weeks that just bring you even more joy and effortless ease, flow, fun, and vitality. So, right now, I'm going to count up from 1 to 3, each number just bringing you back here. Or you can drift off now to a deep, deep sleep. But if you're coming back here, 1, you are beginning to feel movement in your fingers and toes. 2, knowing that you can remember all of these suggestions, that your subconscious remembers everything. And 3, coming back in your own time and your own way, opening your eyes whenever you're ready, taking all the time in the world to either come back here or, if you choose, continue to rest. It is done. Talk soon.